See inside that window, it is definitely cooking. Hey guys, welcome back. We're back out here on Qubestove. Got to set up here on my grill box. That's right, I said grill box. We're going to go inside. We're going to try our hand at making some homemade pizza. I'm kind of a rookie at making homemade pizza dough, but we've given this a go. We've had some dough in here. It's been rising for a few hours. And wish me luck. We're going to see how this goes. I make a lot of pizzas, but I don't make a lot of homemade pizza dough, mainly because it takes so long. So made a special, today's a special day because I want to get this on here and try this out. So let's get this thing fired up, let her come up to temp, and we'll go inside and make us a pizza. Alright, things pretty straightforward when you hooked up the gas. Again, I'm borrowing gas from my flat top, so let's get her fired up. There we go. I'm gonna leave her on high so she come up to temperature. Alright, get her door on her so we can get some heat rolling. Alright guys, I ain't showing you a whole lot of this pizza dough because quite frankly, I suck at it. Alright, get this on here. See if we can't make a pizza before the whole thing falls apart. I want to make sure this thing will slide off. I ain't gonna worry about it, guys. It's gonna taste great. We're going for a rustic look tonight. I'm gonna pinch that, pinch that. This over. One thing I do want to do, and this was a recommendation, I got some SPG and butter here. I'm gonna just lightly season this crust. Just lightly. Okay. Add a little flavor to our pizza. Used this before, just some pizza sauce right off the shelf. It's always a debate around here whether I use too much or not. A lot of people say I do, even my wife. Try to make compromises on that. That's pretty good right there. Alright, I'll come in with some pepperonis. You know, I should have put cheese down there on bottom. I might do that here in just a sec. We're just going to do all our cheese on top this time. How about that? I'm only do a layer of cheese. I kind of messed that up. That's alright. It's going to be a good pizza. Some Italian sausage here. Marvelous. We're going to keep it somewhat simple. I'm just trying not to screw this up. These are just some little bacon bits. It's real bacon, but I did buy it in a store. Pre-chopped. Got so busy fighting with my dogs, I forgot to turn the camera on. I'm not gonna over cheese this. Well, some say I probably have. I don't care. They can make their own pizza. Let's get this thing in the oven. You can see that, but we are at 1,000 degrees. Now, it's been going for a little bit while I was in there making the pizza, but yeah, we're at 1,000 degrees. Wish me luck, boys. Let's get that going. See inside that window, it is definitely cooking. We are done. I burned that thing up. Let's get this thing inside and taste it. It ain't the prettiest thing. Alright guys, we're going to call this one a learning experience. Learning for me all the way around. It actually got a little, I wasn't on there, was definitely on there less than 2 minutes. I should have watched it a little bit closer. I ran in the house for something, come back, and we was there. So it still smells pretty good. I'm gonna cut this thing up and see what we got. This fancy little cutter that my stepson got me. Thank you, Johnny. That is one thick pizza. Like I said, definitely a learning experience for me. All right, let's get a taste of that. She looked a little, I mean, it's a little darker than I wanted, I'll be honest. See how it tastes. Still tastes pretty darn good, guys. That crust, I mean, a little thicker dough. I'll work on the dough thing, I promise. I will work on that. We'll come back and do some more pizzas. Need to get the wood, the pellet burner on there and get some wood-fired pizzas going too. That'll be coming up in the near future, guys. With that propane, we hit the 1,000 degrees. We hit it in a relatively short period of time, so that's good. Just make sure the door's on there. I still recommend letting it go a little bit longer than 10 minutes because you want that stone to really heat up. So I might even try this in the future, some lower temperature cooks too. I don't know how that'll work, but we'll give them a shot. So, all right. That's tasty. That is tasty. And it's mama approved. Not bad for a rookie. So guys, thank you. I'm gonna wash that down a little bit. Thank you, as always. Yeah, it didn't work out last week with the pizza, so we're brought to you this week. I got some work to do practicing on this grill, but we'll get it, I promise. I'll show you some better cooks on it down the road. So guys, thank you as always. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like. That helps us out a lot more than you know. And subscribe if you have not already. So guys, until the next cook, God bless you. Bye-bye.